Welcome. This is how you can learn English easily. Listen, repeat, and practice with me. She wants to learn how to swim. She wants to learn how to swim. He drives to work every morning. He drives to work every morning. They have 2 children. They have 2 children. We like to travel during holidays. We like to travel during holidays. You need to study for the test. You need to study for the test. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. There is a dog in the garden. There is a dog in the garden. There are 3 chairs in the room. There are 3 chairs in the room. She makes delicious cakes. She makes delicious cakes. He works very hard every day. He works very hard every day. We go jogging in the park. We go jogging in the park. They eat breakfast at the cafe. They eat breakfast at the cafe. You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. It feels cold in this room. It feels cold in this room. She cleans her house on Saturdays. She cleans her house on Saturdays. He reads the newspaper every morning. He reads the newspaper every morning. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. We visit our grandparents on Sundays. They watch TV after dinner. They watch TV after dinner. You should drink more water. You should drink more water. It's important to sleep well. It's important to sleep well. She enjoys playing the piano. She enjoys playing the piano. He teaches English at a school. He teaches English at a school. We have a meeting at 9. We have a meeting at 9. They don't like spicy food. They don't like spicy food. You look tired today. You look tired today. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. She helps her brother with homework. She helps her brother with homework. He takes a shower every morning. He takes a shower every morning. We start work at 8 o'clock. We start work at 8 o'clock. They finish class at 4. They finish class at 4. You can open the window. You can open the window. It's too hot to go outside. It's too hot to go outside. She studies art at university. She studies art at university. He lives near the train station. He lives near the train station. We cook dinner together every night. We cook dinner together every night. They clean the kitchen after lunch. They clean the kitchen after lunch. You always forget your keys. You always forget your keys. It's easy to learn with practice. It's easy to learn with practice. She wears a blue dress today. She wears a blue dress today. He carries a big backpack. He carries a big backpack. We listen to the radio in the car. We listen to the radio in the car. They write emails to their friends. They write emails to their friends. You work very quickly. You work very quickly. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. She speaks English and Spanish. She speaks English and Spanish. He plays basketball with his friends. He plays basketball with his friends. We celebrate birthdays with a cake. We celebrate birthdays with a cake. They dance at the party. They dance at the party. You drive very carefully. You drive very carefully. It's fun to learn new things. It's fun to learn new things. She buys fruit at the market. She buys fruit at the market. He sells books in a small shop. He sells books in a small shop. We walk to school together. We walk to school together. They travel to the mountains every year. They travel to the mountains every year. You sing beautifully. You sing beautifully. It's hard to wake up early. It's hard to wake up early. She studies in her bedroom. She studies in her bedroom. He sits near the window. He sits near the window. We eat dinner at the same table. We eat dinner at the same table. They play games on the computer. They play games on the computer. You laugh a lot when you're happy. You laugh a lot when you're happy. It's time to start the class. It's time to start the class. She opens the door slowly. She opens the door slowly. He closes the window because it's cold. He closes the window because it's cold. We wear warm clothes in winter. We wear warm clothes in winter. They bring their lunch to work. They bring their lunch to work. You read very well. You read very well. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. She dreams of living by the sea. She dreams of living by the sea. He listens carefully to his teacher. He listens carefully to his teacher. We plan our holidays every year. We plan our holidays every year. They arrive home at 6. They arrive home at 6. You move too fast. You move too fast. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. She draws beautiful pictures. She draws beautiful pictures. He cooks better than me. He cooks better than me. We enjoy quiet evenings. We enjoy quiet evenings. They help each other a lot. They help each other a lot. You talk too loudly. You talk too loudly. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. She studies every night. She studies every night. He calls his mother every day. He calls his mother every day. We drink coffee after lunch. We drink coffee after lunch. They love watching cartoons. They love watching cartoons. You walk slowly when you're tired. You walk slowly when you're tired. It's time to clean the house. It's time to clean the house. She works near the city center. She works near the city center. He takes the train to work. He takes the train to work. We play music while cooking. We play music while cooking. They sleep early on weekdays. They sleep early on weekdays. You always smile at people. You always smile at people. It's difficult but possible. It's difficult but possible. She wants a cup of tea. She wants a cup of tea. He needs some rest. He needs some rest. We stay at home on Sundays. We stay at home on Sundays. They visit the museum together. They visit the museum together. You write clearly and neatly. You write clearly and neatly. It's a good day to go outside. It's a good day to go outside. She feels better now. She feels better now. He forgets names easily. He forgets names easily. We wait for the bus together. We wait for the bus together. They learn something new every day. They learn something new every day. You speak very politely. You speak very politely. It's nice weather today. It's nice weather today.